what's up guys, it's S Production Games, and today we're at part 10 of Let's Make Game in Unity. Alright, where we left off, we did these animations, and now it's time to put them in the game. But first, let's go through them real quick. Okay, I added another one, so this is what we got here. Let's play it. Where's the play button? Okay, here you go. This is the idle. It loops. Yeah. The bad thing is, I don't know if I talked about it the last time. We have to make sure what it says in frame, you bring it to the actual spot. Like you see right here, down here in the bottom where my mouse is, it shows you where the frames, where each of these, saved location, what is it? Location, rotation, and scale is located for the mesh, for the model. And when you have the in frame way up there, when we transport it to Unity, it's gonna save all this stuff that we don't have nothing here. So if you want this short little animation to loop over and over again, instead what's gonna happen is it's gonna loop this whole process. So you can see his little movement, and boom, he's gonna stand still for a long time until this whole thing is finished, and then it'll loop again, which is fine if you want it that way, but not me. I don't want it that way. So I want to bring this as close as I can over here, and then that's it. And then you're gonna save it, and then work out. So let's check out the other animation. I added jump. I wouldn't even call it animation because that's all it is right here. When I press play, no difference. And actually, this won't be implemented well today, but I'll show you. We'll let it happen. And walk. I kind of like this one. Let's look at that. Oh, wait. It's not showing the whole animation. Let's bring the frame. Okay, there we go. So look at this. Yeah, don't you like that? He's doing pretty good, right? Oh yeah, first off, I want to let you guys know, apologize if I cough a lot. I'm about to cough right now because I got a little cold or fever, what do you want to call it, and you can probably hear it through my voice and everything. So let me give you my apologies in advance. All right, really trying to hold it in. Okay, so we got all that done. What you want to do is go to File, Export. I usually pick FBX. When you go here, I think this is all. Everything's fine that you want to include. We didn't add no colors or anything to the character. We don't need to do that right now. Right now, I really want to get something working, a quick prototype. You know what I'm saying? Because we're already on part 10 and we don't have much going yet. That's the issue. I already got mine saved, so I'm not gonna export it. So export it, and then let me make sure I don't forget anything. Oh yeah, let's go back. Before you export, if you open your files and say, for example, when you check over here, these animations is saved, then yeah, you did something wrong. So make sure when you're doing the animations that you save, and then you press the plus to stop the next animation. I don't know if I discussed that properly the last video. I'm sorry. I know this whole thing seems like a mess because I'm talking about it now, which is kind of after the fact, but hopefully some people can get it or whatever if you need this information. So yeah, make sure you push plus first, and it'll take you to the next set, and then you clear it and you make your changes necessary. So you gotta be careful with that. That way you don't end up deleting what you already had. So okay, after all that, now let's put the character there. Yes, let's quit. We don't need save. All right, so this is what we got so far. The last video, I didn't save the little we did here. I didn't add the plane we did. Let me do that real quick. Let's add 3D object plane. Let's make it wide. Bam. All right, position. Bring it down. Can't be good, right? Okay, so on the last video, we had our old model here. Look at this. Not scaled properly, but hey, we want to get something working, and yeah, look at this. So yeah, so now we're gonna add this animation. So let's get this. Let's get it going. So first here, over here, we see mine was called EX player model. I'm gonna delete that. Just delete the whole thing. All right. So next, now we gotta make sure you know where you saved your file, your model. You know, mine's in Blender stuff, Blender models, and then here's the player model practice FB1 SPX. You probably want to make it simplified, but I've done, as you can see, I've done so many because I'm just practicing, trying to get things working. And man, you can see here, man, I went through many attempts to get this thing right, and it still ain't right perfectly, but it's at least something we can work with. So I want to make sure before we drag it, we want to make it at a good, take it to a good spot. So looking at assets, let me enlarge this again. This EX player model, we don't need no more. We delete them from our folders as well. And I want to raise this up a little bit. It's okay. And make some space right here. Okay. And I don't want that. I'm gonna bring it. Yeah. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do next. Grab this, simply make sure you select the one that's FBX and drag it right on this side, on the asset side. Not favorites, obviously won't let you, or here won't let you. You can add it here. Wait, no, you can't do that either. Okay, you can add it here. So that's what we're gonna do. So now we have that. Okay, you can close this and let's focus on here. All right. Now let's check it real quick. Got a model, scale factor 0.01. I don't know why it does that, but if we put them in the game right now, it's gonna be really, really small. So we're gonna make sure it's set that to 1. We might have to change that as well. We gotta adjust it. But I'm gonna select 1 and press enter. Select apply just for now, and then he might be big. Whoa. Okay, he's okay. And I put him in yet. All right, rig. Later with the animations, it's gonna say we need to set this thing as a legacy. So this is solving a problem beforehand. You know, this can easily be forgotten, but make sure where it says animation type, where it says generic, let's select legacy. And then apply that. And let's go to animations. Now, as you can see, while I was doing my animations, I was messing around. I got idle 1, idle 2, idle 3. Disregard those. What we have necessary is idle 1. That's the idle animation. You can play right here, see how it looks. Jump. You can see here, no, nothing really going, and walk. See that there. Okay. So we got the animations there. That's showing you that animations came along successfully. Good. So next thing we need to do is bring him in the game. So I'm gonna select him here. Boom. So he's here. But one thing, he is so big and he's totally uncontrollable. So now let's make him controllable. We're pretty much gonna continue the same steps that we did before on the other player model, but we're gonna add some things to it. Of course, now that we got animation. So we brought him in, and only one. Okay, if you see here, it already has the animation that we got here. Okay, but as you see here, it's animation walk 1. This is going to be the automatic animation that's going to be set in there, you know, no matter what. So if I press play now, even though he's uncontrollable, whatever, I think we will see. Yep, look at that. Only plays the animation 1 time and he's done. Fine by me. We don't need that. So we're gonna add the movement and stuff. Unfortunately, you know, my main aim was to make this whole thing in C#, but I was doing studies and stuff, and you know, looking at the codes, and I wanted to translate the JavaScript code that Unity that we use into C#, but I don't have the time to fit it all in the series. So what I'm going to do instead is, for now, we're going to use JavaScript on this code because it's already preset. Just it saves a lot of time because this is pretty good code that Unity gives us. So that's what we're going to do anyways. I'm not too happy about it, but now if you already following us, this should already be here. Standard assets, character controllers, sources, scripts, and you see character motor. You can also find it the other way. And let's do it the easy way. So if I go to scripts, no, he's not there. Let's go to character motor. Select it. Now the character controller should automatically appear. If it doesn't, we got big problems because you need that. Hopefully it does. All right. So we got the character controller set up, and we get the player motor. Now we're gonna change gravity. I'm gonna set that to 30 because I don't like when it's so floaty. What else I wanted to change? I think everything right here is fine so far now. So now next thing we need to add is character. Let's go platform input controller. Put that in there. Cool. So let's play it now. Uh-oh. Be a problem. Oh yeah, the character controller now is in, so we need to fix this. Now the scale of our character is pretty larger than I want. So what I'm going to do is shrink him 0.5. Make everything 0.5. I got a Y 0.05. All right. You're gonna make sure everything is 0 here. Let's go to armature. Make sure set everything 0 here. Now let's make sure he's all right here. Let's zoom in on him. Bring him up. Okay, not bad, right? Uh-oh, did I move? Yeah, I did. I gotta move up anyways. I do. Alright. That's okay. Now let's set the character controller. Now we also want the camera. Let's go to the main camera. And like I said, not the last video, but the last video where we actually was covering the old player model, had to act in the stage and everything. Excuse me. Oh man, no, my throat sounds dry and cracked and everything. Sorry, apologize once again. So make sure you have smooth follow script, and then we're gonna have where it says target none. We're gonna put our new character there. Player model practice 1. Now that's good, right? Height happening. Yeah. So let's play it real quick. All right. Kind of bright with the light. Oh yeah. There's something else I want to change too. As you can see, the animation is like not moving anymore, but as you can see, he's going good, pretty good, right? Okay. Let's remove the light. The point light, delete. Uh-oh, more light. Uh-oh. So let's go to light again. Direction of light. I'm gonna rotate that. That way? Sure. and we'll set the color to, yeah. And then let's select another light. Select hard shadows. And boom, already got shadows. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted, shadows. But we want to add another light. Directional light. Let's make the color kind of a sky blue kind of color. I'm gonna rotate. No, that don't work. I'm trying to figure out the best position to. How about that? Let's run it real quick and see how that looks. Oh, it looks pretty good, ain't it? But the shadow now makes it very clear that he's not touching the ground. And the movement is going well. Okay, so let's make sure he touched the ground. So we got the shadows and everything good. Oh man, we're getting somewhere, right? We're getting somewhere. But actually, I think the video getting too long. So you know what? We're gonna stop right here, and we'll continue. Next off, we'll add the animation. I know we still didn't get there yet, but next video for sure, we'll have a character animated movie in the stage. All right. So thank you guys for viewing. And next video should come shortly. See you guys later.